Hello students, let us work out a problem on continuity. Discuss the continuity of this function. F of x is equal to mod of x plus 3 if x is less than equal to minus 3, minus 2x if x is in between minus 3 and 3, and 6x plus 2 if x is greater than 3. Let us proceed for its solution. The function can further be rewritten as if x is less than minus 3, x is clearly a negative number and therefore mod of x is equal to minus x, and therefore it is minus x plus 3 for x belonging to this interval minus infinity to minus 3. Now at minus 3, its value is, this is minus 3, when x is minus 3, its value is 3 and plus 3, that is 6. Now, when x is in this interval minus 3 to 3, minus 3 to this open interval, minus 3 to 3, its value is minus 2x. But at x is equal to 3, its value is minus 6. You can see here, this is minus 6. When x is in this interval, that means 3 to infinity, its value is 6x plus 2. 6x plus 2. Therefore, the function can be written like this. By breaking the whole real line, the domain of f, into a number of open intervals and points. Here these are points. X is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 3 are points, and all these are open intervals. As we know that a polynomial function is continuous over any open interval. This is a polynomial function, and this polynomial function is continuous in this interval, open interval. This is a polynomial function. This is also continuous in this open interval. This is also a polynomial function. This is continuous in this open interval. Therefore, here continuity may break at x is equal to minus 3 or plus 3 only. That means the chances of continuity to be broken is at x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to plus 3. Now let us test the continuity of the function at both of the points. Test of continuity at x is equal to minus 3. Here left hand limit at x is equal to minus 3 is limit extending to minus 3 minus fx is equal to limit extending to minus 3 minus, and when x is less than minus 3, that means in this interval the value is minus x plus 3, minus x plus 3, and putting x is equal to minus 3, we have minus of minus 3, that is plus 3, plus 3, that is 6. Hence left hand limit is going to be 6. Similarly, the right hand limit is limit extending to 3 minus 3 plus fx is equal to limit extending to minus 3 plus, and when x is greater than 3, minus 3, its value is minus 2x. Therefore, here it is minus 2x, and when x is equal to minus 3, we have this limit is also going to be 6. The value of the function at x is equal to minus 3 is 6. Hence, left hand limit is 6, right hand limit is 6, and the value of the function is 6, and therefore the function is continuous at x is equal to minus 3. Now test of continuity at x is equal to 3. Here the left hand limit is limit extending to 3 minus fx is equal to limit extending to 3 minus, and when x is less than 3, the value is minus 2x, therefore it is minus 2x. Putting x is equal to 3, we have the limiting value of this function is minus 6. Similarly, you can evaluate the right hand limit, and this is going to be 20, and the value of the function at 3 is minus 6. You can see here that all of them are not equal. Here left hand limit is minus 6, right hand limit is 20, value of the function is minus 6. Thus we see that f is discontinuous at x is equal to 3, and hence f is continuous everywhere on the real line but not at x is equal to 3. That means f is continuous everywhere but x is equal to 3. ओके, थैंक यू। दूसरे वीडियो के लिए